This is an ABC Big 2 News special report.
In the last calendar year, a ton of Texans have received a rude awakening when it was time to renew their car insurance. ABC Big 2's Mike Mahoney spoke to West Texans about that sticker shock, as well as an Odessa insurance agent about what you can do to save some cash when it's time to re-up on car insurance.
Well, that's right, Maddie. And the Texas Department of Insurance says that on average, the statewide individual auto insurance rate increased by almost 24% in 2022. And most of the West Texans who spoke to me say their first question when they saw that increase was why?
I was shocked the last time, most definitely. It skyrocketed on me, so it was a big difference for me.
And the recent hike in Lone Star State auto insurance rates has also created headaches for insurance agents who want to keep their customers happy. And Permian Basin insurance providers are no exception.
It's actually been the highest increase in the last 20 years that we've had here. So we've definitely seen our fair share of customers coming in, stating I've had no accidents, I've been a great driver, and they still got that rate increase.
So what's behind this sudden spike in auto insurance rates? Isabel Corrales, office manager and agent with Odessa's Torres Insurance Agency, says there are a lot of factors at play. But she believes the biggest one is the sizable increase in claims that happened as Texans emerged from pandemic lockdowns.
There has been an increase in claims. We used to keep a loss ratio of 22%. Now, it's about 67%. In the last couple of years, it's hard to bring it down below that.
But there's more behind the skyrocketing insurance rates in Texas, and the Insurance Council of Texas has theories why. They tell the Houston Chronicle that our country's recent labor shortages, supply chain issues, and the rising cost of car parts and car repairs also cost insurance companies, which in turn cost their customers.
The value within the vehicles to fix them, most times they're being total loss because the cost to fix it is a lot higher than just to total loss of vehicle.
But just because auto insurance rates have increased throughout the Lone Star State doesn't mean West Texans are out of luck when it comes to saving money. And Corrales says that shopping around can still make a big difference.
Because there are companies who also had a rate increase, just not as high as some other companies.
And that's advice that plenty of West Texans have already followed.
There was a bit of a jump, and it led to me switching who I get my insurance through.
Another way motorists can save money on car insurance is if they install an app offered by insurance companies that monitors their behavior on the road. But Corrales warns that can be a double-edged sword.
It really just depends, if you're going to take that extra work to make sure you're driving good, because it can help and it can also hurt you at renewal time, So you want to be really careful. It does usually give you a good percent discount when you first purchase that policy, but if you're constantly on your phone, things like that, having that app, it actually monitors your phone use. It monitors how quickly you accelerate, how hard you brake.
And the insurance expert at Odessa's Torres Insurance Agency also say that you can save even more on your car insurance if you bundle it with home or renter's insurance. And of course, never ever let that insurance coverage lapse. You will always see a big increase if you let that happen. Live in studio, Mike Mahoney, ABC Big 2 News.